Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In the last video, we explored operators in JavaScript and we used them to perform math operations, make comparisons, and work with logic. Today, we're going to build on that by learning how to control the flow of your program using if-else statements. If-else statements are fundamental to programming because they allow us to make decisions based on conditions. So, let's get started. An if-else statement lets you execute code based on a condition. If the condition is true, one block of code will run. If the condition is false, a different block of code will run. Here is a simple example of an if statement. Let's declare a variable age and give it the value 18. In this example, we are checking if the variable age is greater than or equal to 18. If it is, JavaScript will print you are an adult in the console. Now, what if the condition is false? This is where the else part comes in. The else block runs if the if condition is false. Let's modify the example. Give the value 16 to age. Now, if age is less than 18, the code inside the else block will run, printing you are a minor in the console. Sometimes you want to check multiple conditions. That's where else if comes into play. You can use else if to add additional conditions between the if and else blocks. Here's how it works. Let's declare a variable score and give it the value 85. In this case, we are checking if the score is high enough for different grades. If the first condition is false, JavaScript moves to the next condition and so on. If none of the conditions are true, the else block runs. Let's put what we have learned into practice. We'll start by declaring a variable for the temperature and writing some conditions to check if it's a hot, cold, or nice day. We declare a variable temperature and assign it the value of 30. We then check the conditions one by one. First, we check if the temperature is greater than 30. If that's true, we print it's a hot day. If the first condition is false, we move to the next condition. Is the temperature greater than or equal to 20? If so, we print it's a cold day. If neither of the previous conditions are true, we execute the else block and print it's a nice day. The main idea here is that JavaScript checks the conditions one at a time. If one of them is true, it runs the code inside that block and skips the rest. Only one block will be executed, even if multiple conditions are technically true. Go to the browser, expect to see the console, and here we have the value it's a cold day. You can also nest if-else statements inside each other. This is useful when you need to make more complex decisions. Here is an example. We declare two variables. It's sunny, we give it the value true, and temperature, we give it the value 25. Let's do some conditions. Here, we check if it is sunny first. If it is, we check the temperature to determine whether it's hot or nice. If it's not sunny, we print it's cloudy. Result here is it's a nice sunny day. Alright, check up. Today we learned how to control the flow of our programs using if-else statements. We covered simple if statements, how to add else and else if, and even how to nest if-else statements for more complex decisions. As always, I encourage you to follow along in practice. Pause the video, write your own if-else statements, and play around with different conditions to see how the flow changes. In the next video, we are going to dive into loops, another powerful tool in JavaScript that allows us to repeat actions without writing the same code over and over. And don't forget, if you have any questions or need help, drop a comment below and I will be happy to assist. See you in the next video. Bye!